Igbo, Anakwamo no spend the day with me in the village. I wear hora tete ikene diri chuku. We meziano akwandina kaiji wear hora we puta iro ime ihe derani. Obere nwanne m nwanyị na n'ebe ọchọka Korea we kunye. Hell, Chibo, it's really a good feeling in the village. I mean, if you've not brushed outside the house in the village, Ibudobe. So we put our kinesian mad in them. When you wait, see a woman and we child. We take Zambara. Okay, for this part, Ibatono Ijibi Kop as Zambara. You've not started. We see Kanji no your naman on your kwame and Wimbata manambawa. 18 na hinkiri odemoka. Is one nam rest on inugo. We see Kanji Setemiri. If for this part, this is the highlight. Ibatono Ijihoda we Setemiri. Oh my God. I'm not campaign Natal. Anyways, it was really fun. When you going to see a church, local cancer chalo do. Just a temiri na well na to kwanu megu na bo mananji kwa waya wena emekwa ya wena maruma ho berry but still ejukwa mhuchi meya bi. You say Julia bo bucket in dimbu we na well. It was really fun actually going to the well, getting water, you know. If a memorable EJ Kirimo, I didn't do that one. It actually feels good to be home, you know, be with your mom, your parents, your siblings, family, make memories, have fun. The level of people narrowed this season, I was really amazed. I mean, with the whole stories, you know, insecurities and all that. If one day mad. Oh, Chimo. Alabo kwotu do. Oh, yes. Ejesigom uzi ututumu. Inakwarono kisanande alabotu. Nkwanukwa di kanya furo.